7 top tips for VCE Business Management exam. Tip 1. Know real-life examples of organizations. Familiarize yourself with real-life examples of organizations for each area of study or concept in the curriculum. Understanding how concepts, ideas, processes, and stages are applied in real-world situations can deepen your comprehension and improve your ability to craft well-rounded responses. For instance, you might reference Linfox and their Green Fox strategy when discussing change management, or use Toyota as an example for operations management. Tip 2. Use the study design as your guide. Use the study design as your primary guide when learning theories. The study design includes key theories such as Cotter's, Locke's, Hertzberg's, and Maslow's. While textbooks can be valuable resources, they might present slightly different interpretations. For example, the elements of the learning organizations might be named differently across textbooks, such as principles or discipline, however refer to the same thing. To ensure you're using the correct terminology that assessors are familiar with, rely on the study design to guide your learning. Tip 3. Understand the common verbs in business management questions. It's crucial to understand the meanings of common verbs used in business management questions, such as discuss, evaluate, and compare. These verbs outline what is expected in your response, and misunderstanding them can lead to incorrect answers. Tip 4. Practice answering 10-mark questions. Since 10-mark questions contribute significantly to your overall score in SACs or exams, practicing them is essential. This practice will prepare you to answer them effectively during exams. Ensure you practice questions that require you to integrate topics from different areas of study, as 10-mark questions in exams can cover any topic. Tip 5. Attempt questions from a variety of sources. Diversify your practice by attempting questions from various sources, including SACs, exams, textbooks, Engage's free practice exams, and any other resources available. This exposure will help you encounter questions from different perspectives and levels of difficulty, increasing the likelihood that you'll be familiar with the questions on your actual SACs or exams. Tip 6. Practice answering questions under time constraints. Simulate exam conditions by completing practice exams with 15 minutes of reading time and 2 hours of writing time. This will help you get accustomed to writing responses quickly and continuously. Develop a strategy for tackling the exam, such as starting with the 10-mark question or beginning with questions you can easily answer to build confidence. Finding what works best for you will help you perform your best in the actual exam. Tip 7. Use a glossary or synonym list for key terms. Business management involves many terms you need to know. It's common to encounter questions asking you to define terms. Creating a glossary or synonym list can help you memorize definitions. A glossary organizes definitions for key terms by area of study, while a synonym list pairs terms with words of similar meaning, making it easier to recall definitions. For example, for the persuasive management style, sells could be a synonym for persuades, which can serve as the foundation for your definition. This method also helps avoid using the term itself within its definition, ensuring a clear demonstration of your knowledge.